Hello. Winter's here and we've had the first frost of the year, and I'm just going to see what's going on in the garden. In summer, this potted Persicaria campanulata is smothered in small flowers in various shades of pink that get lighter as they age. This morning, it is covered in this beautiful frost. The morning light lifts the autumnal colours of this purple Loosestrife. Tiny spikes of frost are covering this Melissa officinalis. Many gardens are host to the more familiar lemon balm, but this is a variety called Mandarina, which instead of lemons smells like a mandarin orange. Also frosted is this pineapple mint, which, as you can guess, has a hint of pineapple. Next to Milo is another plant wrapped up for the winter, and this is Echium pininana, which grows huge if it can make it through the cold. I'll be making a video all about Echium if it does survive. I love the way just the edges of this box have been frosted. Even the rocks are shimmering. There's a thin layer of ice covering the pond, but the floating four-leaf clover is faring well. As is this Japanese rush, Ogon. I only planted it a month or so ago, so it's still quite small. I'll be putting together a video all about how I made this pond, so subscribe to this channel, Plas Bach, so you don't miss that one. In the background are two tree ferns wrapped up in horticultural fleece to protect them from the worst of the weather. Here's another Echium pininana wrapped up in horticultural fleece. I've mentioned the importance of protecting your plants over winter this way, but let's not forget about protecting your cats. Some plants are easily shrugging off the cold and flowering with gusto. Just taking in the view. This is where the magic happens. It's my nursery area where I keep all of my pots ready for when space can be found in the garden. The ice crystals look wonderful on these Rudbeckia.
that's it for us for today. What Milo's doing. He smelt something up there. Oh, he's off. He's coming the other way. Alright. Yeah. Hopefully be back again with some more videos. Bye.